Hello everyone, my name is Sairis Jeinsen. I'm an American expat and entrepreneur, and in today's video I'm going to be answering some questions in regards to China's new 5-year plan that will start in 2021. Now the first topic that we will discuss is this effort of dual circulation, which means that China will be developing both its domestic and overseas markets to basically complement each other. Now, I think many Western countries are becoming a little bit cautious of China really becoming more self-reliant on itself and really developing a lot of things internally. Now, I think if we look at what has been happening to China over the last couple of years, certainly there has been a very big push, for China to become a little bit more self-reliant. And I think this is actually very healthy for really every country in the world. For example, you don't want to have your entire country's economic success tied to another foreign country. It's important for countries around the world to build relationships. Sure, we can build relationships with other countries, we can increase trade, but I think it's very smart for every country to also develop domestically. And this is what China is doing. They're investing in technology, they're learning to make better, smarter, and more advanced products. And we're seeing how the quality of Chinese-made products are literally improving every single year as time passes on. That being said, China is also still purchasing a lot of goods from around the world. Last year China spent over 2.2 trillion US dollars buying products from abroad, but they're also developing a lot of products, from within. So I think this dual circulation concept is actually a good thing, and it should be something that really all countries around the world model themselves, because again, it's not the best strategy to just rely on another country or to just rely on yourself. Global economy means that you're working with countries around the world and also working domestically.